Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will do unboxing of Ugg Ashbury that I've got on Black Friday, but it was not Black Friday. I had some coupon code from Black Friday and I've got 9.5, but it was a little bit tight and I've got it from Amazon and I returned it. And this one is from Ugg Australia, so I used coupon and another coupon which was from Honey. It's Honey extension to the browser, and then you get some additional coupon codes. And also now when you have 20 bucks rewards from Ugg Australia, it's count like 25. And also, yeah, and I had 1 year anniversary gift from Ugg Australia. So here are the box. Here is the box, and let's open it. Hope this one will be fine. If not, I will have to return again. Hope not. Okay, let's open the box. So here is the box inside. Put it upside down. Okay. So here are the shoes. Box looks like this. Normal box. It's from Ugg.com. And this is the model. Ugg Ashbury, and I've got in size 10 because 9.5 was narrow. Let's open them. Yeah, it looks like this. So I put the box here. Here is shoe number 1. It looks like this. It's made from this kind of leather that looks like a little scratched, but it's not much scratch, it's just some small scratches. That this is such kind of leather. Even paper can scratch it a little bit. And it comes with this. And it has side zipper right here. And in front it has laces, which are flat laces. Flat looking, not round like other shoes. And then this is UK 8, European size 41, Japan 27, made in China. Inside I have those inserts and some paper, and then inside it looks like this. So I have firm, but only halfway, like here. And then we have some kind of insulation. And then tank has also some fur, but then as you can see it changed to material. And they also have sole which is with fur. But it's not removed, it's glued. And here it has some trim here. They also have spider rubber here, and a small heel right here, just maybe 1 inch. This part is 1 inch, and they are waterproof here, it says. Let's see another one. This one looks like the same, and it has the Ugg Australia tag that shows that that's authentic. Tag looks like this. Yeah. Let's see if they're the same. It looks like this. So I hope they are the same. Now I check it because sometimes we have different size. Yeah, seems the same. Now I will try them on. So here they are. This is how they look on me. that's it for today's video. Like such videos, one thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, and hit notification bell to be notified when I upload. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.